Hello everyone, here we are going to study about polynomials. The definition of the polynomial is an expression more than two variables, no, two terms are known as polynomials. For example, we can say that ax plus by plus c plus 2. We can see that first 2, 3, 4. We have four terms here. That means this is a polynomial. Okay. Now the second is degree. What is the degree of polynomial? Okay, यहाँ पे हम एक एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. If this is an example, 2x² plus 4x cube plus 5 3x to the power 5. So the highest power of the variable is known as its degree. The highest power of the variable is known as its degree. Okay, like here the highest power of x is 5, so the degree will be 5. Here another example, 2x² plus 3x plus 4x, so the degree will be 2. Okay, now if the degree is 1, the polynomial is known as linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then the polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. And if the degree is 3, then the polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. The graph of linear polynomial will be like a line, and the graph of a quadratic polynomial will be like this or this one. And the polynomial of cubic polynomial, and the graph of the cubic polynomial is like this, or can also be this. Okay, this is the graph of a linear polynomial, and these two are the graph of quadratic polynomials, and this one is of the cubic polynomial. Okay, now let's start the exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, the first question is the graph of y is equal to px are given in figure. These are the figures of for some polynomials. Find the number of the zeros of the px. First of all, what is the meaning of zeros? Zeros means the value of x here. Like if here is px, then the volume, how many values of x can be found in the graph. Okay, now in graph 1 we can see that here it is a linear polynomial. As we can see, this line is not touching the x-axis, so the value of x is, the number of zeros is 0. The number of zeros are 0. Okay, now in the other graph we can see that this graph touches x-axis only one time, so the number of zeros will be 1. So the number of zeros will be 1. And in the third figure, see, in the third figure, this diagram touches x-axis 1 and then 2 and then 3 times. So the number of zeros will be 3. Okay, in question figure number 4, it touches x-axis 2 times, so the number of zeros will be 2. And in diagram number 5, this figure touches x-axis 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So the number of zeros is 4 in this diagram. Let's see how many times it touches the x-axis. 1, 2 and 3. So the answer will be 3. The number of zeros will be 3. In figure number 4, number of zeros is 2. In figure number 5, the number of zeros is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in figure number 6, the number of zeros is 1, 2, 3. That's it.